you?
I'm great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm really good, thank you. What's your name?
Yes, so my name is Jinsy. So
Jinsy.
you're a teacher. Great,
Greg.
great.
Yeah, Greg. That's it.
It sounds like great.
It sounds like great. Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. And where are you from?
I am from Vietnam.
Oh, cool.
How are you?
I'm from England.
You're from England?
Yeah, England. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were Irish.
No. I'm from London.
Oh, you're from London.
Yeah.
And you are living in Italy, right?
Right. So I live in Germany.
Oh, okay.
But I used to live in Italy.
Okay, I got it. Nice.
Yeah. So you're from Vietnam. Which part of Vietnam?
I live in the south of Vietnam. Do you know Ho Chi Minh City?
No, to be honest, I don't really know much about Vietnam.
Yeah. Oh my God.
But
I'm sorry, the connection. So can you just repeat your sentences because of the connection?
Yeah, I just don't know much about Vietnam.
Yes.
The only city I know, I think, is Saigon.
Saigon?
Saigon, yeah.
Oh my God. Actually, Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Saigon is used to called by the Ho Chi Minh people in the past. Yes, but more and more people know Ho Chi Minh City than the name Saigon. So
really?
Yeah, I'm so surprised that you know Saigon.
Yeah, well, actually, so right now I live in Berlin, and in Germany, and
yeah.
Berlin has a really big Vietnamese population.
Did they teach you Saigon?
No, but there's a lot of restaurants called Saigon.
I see.
But I have seen some TV series or some movies where they've been based in Saigon. But yeah, that's the only reason I know the name. But we go for Vietnamese food all the time because there's a restaurant. There's a Vietnamese restaurant on every single street in my neighborhood. It's really popular. Every single street has at least one Vietnamese restaurant.
So what did you think about the food?
Oh, it's really nice. But we eat a lot. I would eat a lot of pho and a lot of.
Do you remember the name of the food?
I think pho.
Pho,
and I think we have different names in English. I think summer rolls.
Oh, it has the name in English?
Because in English we call it summer, like for example, summer rolls. But
can you type it? Can you type it? Yes.
I know there's a different name in Vietnamese.
Summer rolls. Wow. I have never known this words.
It's called okay, yeah, I know what it's called. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's called like goi quan. Yes.
Gỏi cuốn.
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Wow. Oh, that's a surprise.
Have you been to Europe before?
No, I haven't been to Europe. I just have been China.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and about the other countries, I haven't been in any countries.
Yeah.
But in the future, I hope I can travel all around the world.
All around the world, yeah. Yeah.
Because,
why did you go?
Yes.
Why did you go to China? Was it like a vacation?
Yeah, it's what I call it. So I and my family visit my relatives in China. So yeah, that's the reason. Yes.
Nice. So you have some family in China?
In my relative.
Yeah.
They live in Chinese. They live in China. And They are Vietnamese.
Okay, I
Yeah,
understand. Yeah.
Vietnamese who live in China.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Yeah. How about you? How many countries that you have been?
I don't know. I think maybe around 15 countries, maybe
15.
or 20. Because in Europe, it's really easy to travel.
Oh, wow. That's
Like
so cool.
for example, my university is in Germany, and my university is actually not Berlin. It's on the west side of Germany, and this area is next to the border of Belgium and the Netherlands. So in 5 minutes you can drive to Belgium, and in 5 minutes you can drive to the Netherlands. So you
Wow,
can
that's
visit
nice.
so you can visit 3 countries in 20 minutes.
Wow, I
Yeah.
see, I see.
Yeah, it's really easy
That's
to try. And Berlin, for example, is only I don't know, is only 30 minutes from Poland. You can drive to Poland really fast.
So Poland is in German.
No, Poland is the country next to Germany.
Oh, I see.
It's just so easy to drive to different countries when you live in the center of Europe. Yeah.
So
And
you're studying in university right now?
Yeah, in my final year.
Your final year.
Yeah, of my master's, yeah.
Oh, okay.
What about
That's
you?
so cool. I am a second year student in
Oh,
university. Yes.
what do you study?
I study human resource management.
Oh, okay. So what does that involve exactly?
Evolve
What?
the
Yeah.
subjects they
Mm-hmm.
teach. Yeah, they teach like the skills how to deal with people. They teach many things like economics and like something related to I don't remember the word in English, but like physical. No. Psychology.
Psychological?
Yeah,
Or
yeah,
yeah,
psychological. Yes,
psychological or psychology?
yeah, and many subjects that I don't know the name in English. I don't remember. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, that's not. And do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
What made you
I
choose?
guess.
What made you choose this like route, like human resource management?
Actually, when I was in 12th grade, I don't know what I wanna learn, but then I go to the internet and I search and I realized that wow, that major I don't like to do with math or something like that, but I love to work with people. I love to deal with something related to the psychology, right?
Yeah.
So that's why I chose this major.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Because
How about you?
I think when you're young, it's really hard to know what you want to study or what you want to do when you're older.
Yes.
So I used to study mechanical engineering, but now I study renewable energy and sustainability.
So the major before that, what you call it?
Mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering.
And
Okay,
and now I study sustainable management with
sustainable
energy,
management
with renewable energy.
Wow. So
It's all about the environment.
Yeah, so in the future you would be an engineer.
Yeah, like an environmental engineer, yeah.
But you also like teaching as well.
It's quite a nice job when you're a student, especially with Corona, with the pandemic situation. I used to work in bars, in restaurants, or I used to work at events in London. But obviously this all closed down with COVID-19. And then I found out about Cambly, and one of my friends was teaching on Cambly. So I was like, oh, this is quite a nice job to be able to do from your house.
Yeah,
like working from
it's
home.
it's really convenient for you, like because you're English speaker,
Yeah,
native English speaker. Yes.
yeah. This
So
is just luck.
yeah, so do you need to learn about some teaching skill or do you need to get some bachelor about teaching?
No, you need to be able to prove that you can talk with international like students, or I guess
Mhm.
anyone who wants to learn, because Cambly is more focused on speaking and
Yeah,
conversational
conversation.
English. So yeah, so you had to send in like a video and talk about why you could be a good teacher. And for example, or during my studies, I'm always working with international students who don't speak very good English, so I'm always teaching them anyway. And then I realized, oh, I could do this as a job
Mm-hmm.
because I had to
Yeah.
help a lot. I had to help a lot of my friends because we all study in English, but
Yes.
they don't speak English
Mm-hmm.
natively. So
Yeah, I see.
it was quite nice. I know a lot of friends who would not like to do Cambly because they're not used to talking and helping people with English. Yeah.
Like they don't know. They don't like to talk.
I have some friends where I think making conversation with new people every day is quite difficult
Oh, yeah,
because,
I see.
for example, sometimes I teach 10 people in one day, 10 students in
Mm,
one day. So it's quite a lot, and you have to keep talking and talking.
yes, and
But I don't mind
sometimes
it.
you don't have any ideas to talk.
But sometimes I have students who don't like speaking, and it's a bit strange because the student doesn't is I understand people are really nervous sometimes, and if you're not confident with your English, that's fine. We can speak. If I'm with a student, we speak slowly and talk about very basic subjects.
Mm-hmm.
But some students are really scared to talk. They won't say anything, and I just have to speak, and I'm thinking, okay, this is not like listening, this is to help you improve.
Oh my god, that's interesting. So do
Yeah.
you write in the book like what questions that you can use to ask your
Yeah,
students?
at the beginning, I had like a list of topics
Yes.
because it was a new job. So I had a list of topics, for example, I don't know, travel, education,
Uh,
fitness,
okay.
and like lots of basic subjects.
Yeah,
But now,
actually on Cambly there's the resource for you.
yeah, the classes.
Yes, the classes that you can
Yeah,
use this to ask your students.
yeah, we use this sometimes. So
Yeah.
we use because some of the classes are really good actually, especially with students who find it difficult to make free-flowing conversation.
Mm-hmm.
But they want to learn about maybe very specific subjects, or they're taking a IELTS exam. This is really useful. Or we just go through, I have like a lot of articles, so we can just read articles together and
Mm.
then discuss the subject kind of more broadly. Especially if the
Oh.
student, a lot of people have very individual interests. They might be interested in science or music or history. So we would read something related to this. Yeah.
Yeah, I see. So how long have you been teaching on Cambly?
Or since April last year, so 8 months.
Mm.
But I had a
Well,
big break because of the summer and my exams.
okay, I see. So when
Yeah,
you were on Cambly, you can off if you want to.
yeah, yeah. Sometimes because of my university, I had to take a
Yes.
break. But
Yes, I
yeah,
see.
what about you? How long have you been using Cambly?
I've been using Cambly for 2 months.
Ah, and have you found it useful for your English? Like, do you
Ye-
find it has
Yes,
improved?
yes, yes, yes,
Oh,
absolutely. At
nice.
first, I feel really nervous, really
Yeah, I can
shy.
imagine.
My
Yeah,
body just like shaking when I speak
yeah.
English with foreigners. But yeah, now it's quite comfortable now.
You have a really good flow when you speak English.
Yes, but my grammar and my vocabulary just I know that my sentences just so messed up.
Yeah, but I think this is just practice. More and more
Yeah.
practice, you'll learn more. Oh, there's only a few seconds left.
Yeah, so thank you so much for today
Nice
and
talking to you.
have a
Yeah,
great day. Yeah. I
yeah.
hope
See
to
you
see you
later.
soon.
See you
Bye.
soon. Bye bye.